Good morning. We are live at Heyward Allen Toyota for our first Ask Heyward Allen Toyota, and I'm here with Joel Love, the service manager here. Would you say good morning?
Good morning, good morning.
So this is a segment that we hope to do every week where we can sit down with one of our managers, answer some questions that you guys might have, you share them with us, and of course for us to answer questions that we just think are common questions that our customers have. Hopefully give you a little bit of information about what's going on here and be a source of information to you. So, Joel, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hey, I'm Joel. I have been with Heyward Allen Toyota for 6 years, been with Toyota for over 20 years. And I look forward to answering any questions you may have.
I've worked with Joel for the last 5 years, and we've really enjoyed working together to help just get the service department in front of you guys. You know, it's very common for social media to talk about the sales department, but a lot of people have questions about the service department because that's who takes care of your vehicle once you've bought it and it's yours and you're driving it around. First question that I think a lot of people typically have is, why should I service my Toyota at a Toyota dealership?
Well, most Toyota dealerships know your vehicle. They know what is due, all the specifications. Technicians receive training year-round, specifically for your vehicle. We work on strictly Toyotas, and that's our training.
I think sometimes the first time someone comes to a Toyota dealership may be when they have a recall. So this is a good thing to look at. No one else can ever take care of a Toyota recall besides a Toyota dealership. And if you look at the vehicle as a whole, you wouldn't want anyone to take care of a vehicle that is not trained on your vehicle.
Absolutely.
So a lot of people will go and get oil changes somewhere else. You may have a family dealership, but in the long run, we believe that a Toyota dealership is the best place to be.
Absolutely. And speaking of oil changes, we have very, very reasonable rates compared to other people. We do a dare to compare board so you can compare our prices to everyone else's prices. And we're not the lowest, but we're definitely not the most expensive either.
And that's something that's updated, I believe, monthly, so that we are current with prices as well. Because if we're not competitive, then we're going to lose customers. So that's the only way that we stay current with you guys.
And we use genuine Toyota parts also.
And we'll talk more about that when we meet with Gary later this month. So the parts department is something that you don't get to see a lot of, but definitely a lot of information in our parts department to get to you guys.
That's correct.
If you didn't know, Heyward Allen Toyota Service Department was voted in the Online Athens Best of the Best 2019 Best Service Department. Joel, why do you think that Heyward Allen Toyota continues to rank #1 and up there in comparison to all Toyota dealerships?
Well, our employees, they truly care about our customers. And we have great customers, and our employees they go above and beyond to take care of our loyal customers, and we appreciate them, and we appreciate you as being a loyal customer also.
Why don't we, speaking of employees, why don't we talk about some of our tenured employees, because there are several that have been here for a long time.
Well, we've got Charlie Bidinger. He's my express supervisor. He's been here for over 35 years. He's a master technician. Everybody knows Charlie. Mike Oshel is my lane manager, and he's been here for over 8 years. Levi Taylor's been here for 6 years. We've got too many to name. I apologize. I've been here for 5 years or more.
Yep.
But that's just 3 off the top of my head.
And if you ever are in our dealership, stop by the showroom, because we have a milestone wall where we highlight people on their milestone years, and it gives you a chance to kind of meet some employees. And there's a reason why people have been here for so long. I mean, you and I combined have over 10 years here, and I think it's because not only the way the employees treat the customers, but the way employees work together.
Yes.
There's a lot of people that work together to make this service department run, and it's more than just the guys working on the vehicles. You've got a scheduling department, which is always here to help you guys set your appointments in addition to scheduling online. You've got the assistant service managers out in the lane. They're available to answer questions before you even come in. And of course, the guys that keep the shop running. But speaking of appointments, why do you think, or do you think that customers should make an appointment before coming in?
Yes, we appreciate you setting your appointment with us. You can do it online or call us, however you want to do it. It helps us track the time so we can get you in and out as soon as possible. We have I was looking at a report this morning, and 82.1% of our customers get out within an hour. That means they're serviced and gone within an hour, which that is for the amount of vehicles that we have coming through, that is truly outstanding. My employees do a wonderful job of taking care of our customers, and if you set the appointment, we know when you're coming, and we can take care of you. Now, by all means, we're going to take care of our walk-ins also. They're just as important as our appointments. But our appointments move a little quicker than walk-ins, and so it's better for you and for us to set the appointment.
So again, if you're looking to visit our service department, you can always call in and get a scheduled appointment. Of course, we do take care of walk-ins.
Absolutely.
Because sometimes you aren't available to make a scheduled appointment. But we hope we answered some of the questions that you might have had. And if you do have more questions, please send them in to us. We'd love to answer them in a future video. And this was our first Ask Heyward Allen Toyota. Thank you, Joel. And you guys have a great day.
See y'all.